Hello, hello. Today we are going to learn 10 most common Urdu idioms or muhavre. Hello, hello everyone. How are you all doing? I'm Sarah from Learn Urdu with Sarah and I've been teaching online for the last 9 to 10 years. If you know Urdu, like the basics of Urdu and want to advance your Urdu a little bit more and want to speak like a native Urdu speaker, you need to learn muhavre or idioms. Idioms are used in all the languages, and Urdu specifically, people use idioms and they carry a hidden layer of culture and humor. Through idioms, people hint, people kind of soften the message a little bit. Idioms carry a figurative or non literal meaning, so they're very important to learn. So today I'm going to teach you 10 Urdu idioms. I haven't produced such a video before, so I think this is going to be the first. First one is Aag bagula hona. Aag bagula hona. Funny, isn't it? Aag bagula. I can imagine the cartoon. So it's very funny what I'm imagining. I'm gonna put a picture of what I'm imagining here. So, aag bagula hona, aag is fire, bagula hona, like become full of fire. Can you guess the meaning? Let me know if you can guess the meaning of this and put it in the comment section. So, aag bagula hona. What do you think it means? So, it means to be very, very angry. Oh, उसके झूठ सुन के मैं आग बगूला हो गई. अपनी बेइज्जती होते देखकर वो आग बगूला हो गई. अपनी बेइज्जती होते देखकर वो आग बगूला हो गई. So she became angry when she saw the people are insulting her. So the words are different, they have different meanings, but together they make a metaphorical meaning, a non-literal meaning. So now the second one is Asteen ka saap hona. Asteen ka saap hona. So do you know what asteen is? This is asteen, a sleeve. So asteen ka saap. Saap, do you know what that is? Saap is snake. So asteen ka saap hona. So what does that mean? Like a snake in a sleeve? So basically, what that means is someone who is nearby, like in your sleeve, but is actually a snake. And snake is known for, like, a venom and like slithery nature. So that is what it is, like a frenemy, basically, a friend who is an enemy. So आस्तीन का सांप, वो आस्तीन का सांप निकली, वो आस्तीन का सांप निकली, वो मेरी दोस्त थी मगर आस्तीन का सांप निकली. Let me know if you knew this one. Now let's go to the third one. The third one is ऊंची दुकान फीका पकवान. ऊंची दुकान फीका पकवान. So ऊंचा, do you know what that means? That means high. ऊंची दुकान. Dukan is a shop. Phika pakwan. So phika, what does that mean? Phika means bland. Pakwan is a food. So high, a shop that is on high place, on a higher ground. Phika pakwan, bland food. So something that looks very shiny and glittering, but it is not, it doesn't worth that much. It doesn't have a lot of worth. Unchi dukan, phika pakwan. Something that seems perfect, but it's very bland and doesn't have that much personality. Just to make it clear, idioms are used in a casual situation, not in a formal, like doctor setting, in a court, in like a formal meetup or something. It's used with friends or like a very normal day-to-day life scenario. So the next one is ek anar so bimar. Ek anar so bimar. Anar is a pomegranate. So anar so bimar. Do you know what bimar is? Bimar is a ill person, a diseased person. So one anar, something that is very yummy, something that is very desirable. And so bimar, 100 people are desiring that one pomegranate. All of them want to drink the juice and quench their thirst. So, एक अनार 100 बीमार. So, a pomegranate is a symbol of fertility and luxury in South Asian and Persian culture. And it kind of produces this vivid image of something that's very desirable and provokes an intense competition over limited resource. So, the next one is मुंह मियाँ मिट्ठू. अपने मुंह मियाँ मिट्ठू होना. अपने मुंह मियाँ मिट्ठू होना. अपने मुंह में मिट्ठू होना is to sing the praise of your own self, like, oh, I'm this, I'm doing this as well and that as well and stuff like that. That is अपने मुंह में मिट्ठू होना. Mittu is a parrot. Mumia Mittu is a parrot. A person who is very self-absorbed and just talking about him, herself, or her, or his achievements, or just talking about his own qualities as well. So वो तो अपने मुंह में मिट्ठू है. Next one is आँख का तारा. आँख का तारा. आँख is eye and tara is a star. आँख का तारा means beloved, like apple of the eye. He's an apple. वो मेरी आँख का तारा है. मेरा सबसे बड़ा बेटा मेरी आँख का तारा है. The next one is मुंह में पानी आ जाना. मुंह में पानी आ जाना. So that is quite easy because it also exists in English as well. मुंह में पानी आ जाना. मुंह is mouth. Pani is water. आ जाना is to come. So basically mouth watering. Oh, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. So my mouth is flooded with water. So basically just mean, oh, I'm seeing this delicious thing and it's mouth watering. मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. So the next one is चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. Chor is a thief. Tinka is a stick or like a what is called, like a little piece of wood. So that means chor ki dadi mein tinka means a guilty person, someone who has done something and trying to hide, but people can detect it because of the stick in his beard. Basically, that's what the meaning is. When you have like a guilty conscience, you need no accuser because it's quite visible, because you're so defensive, because no innocent person would be so defensive. So when you're guilty, it kind of shows. The next one is naak mein dum karna. Naak is a nose. Naak mein dum karna, basically what it means is like to annoy someone so much, to like make them really really tired. So, oh, तुम्हारे बच्चे ने मेरा नाक में दम कर दिया है. He kind of made me so tired, like he didn't let me rest. तुम्हारे बच्चे ने मेरी नाक में दम कर दिया है. तो इसने मेरे नाक में दम कर दिया है. The next one is दाल में कुछ काला है. दाल में कुछ काला है. So dal is a lentil soup, as you know. Kala is black. Something is black in the like something is fishy. Oh, dal mein kuch kala hai. Is there dal mein kuch kala hai? That means something is fishy in this whole scenario. Dal mein kuch kala hai. Like that. So that's very funny. But all of these I've heard like growing up, and my mother used to say all of these because we were really like, I'm especially was a mischievous child and used to do a lot of cheeky stuff. Okay, so now let's do the next one. Baal ki khal nikalna. Baal ki khal nikalna. Baal is hair, like a single strand of hair. Khal is a skin. So baal ki khal nikalna. What do you think that means? So basically what it means is to get to the detail, like the nitty gritty, like really in detail, like बाल की खाल, asking so many questions. Oh, वो तो बाल की खाल निकाल देती है, वो तो बाल की खाल निकाल देती है, something like that. So let me know if you like this video. If you want to get a transcript of all these idioms and more idioms or any grammar point, you can become a patron on this website. You can also become a patron if you just want to appreciate my videos and want to say thank you. If you learn from this video, give it a like, and that would definitely motivate me. Have a nice day and goodbye.